Hello and welcome to all of you students. So today let us start with unit 1, which is named as number system, digital logic, families and logic gates. So we will going to see what is there inside our syllabus. Okay. So here what is unit 1, number systems, digital logic, families and logic gates. Okay. So here first point is what? Terms, bit, byte, nibbles. Okay. First of all, we will look over this 1.1. Before it, we see the basics of the digital systems. Okay. So what is our subject name? Digital techniques and microprocessors. Okay. So now let us see digital system. Okay. Now whatever if you see around us, most of the things are our digitals. Even our at home, we are having televisions, we are having a cell phone, smartphone with us. Okay. So these are certain examples of the digital systems. Now if you see the systems, so what type of signal is being flowing through these systems? So signals such as square wave, okay, rectangular waves, okay, like this one, some waveform like this, square waves also, continuous signals, okay, even it may be also a pulse also, okay. So only these signals, okay, which having the edges, okay, this is known as 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, okay, again here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, okay. So here this waveform we denoted that the 1s and 0 in this waveform also. So other than these signals, okay, other than the square wave, it may be a these are what? Digital signals, okay. Other than this, okay, it may be a sinusoidal waveform, okay, or a triangle waveform, okay, or a ram tooth, okay. What are, so other than this square wave, all the signals are what? Analog signals, okay. So try to understand, okay. So in digital signals, we are having only two numbers. We are having two numbers. What are? Zeros and 1, either 0 or 1, okay, 0 and 1. So our first topic, okay, what is it? 1.1 terms. What are? Bit, byte and nibbles, okay. So these are our signals. So first of all, we see what is bit, okay. The smallest unit, okay, smallest unit of data is defined as a single bit, okay. It can be, so it can have two possibilities, okay, possible values, that is 0 or 1. Okay, these are the only two possible values, and we have seen here what is in the showing the as per the waveform. Okay, getting this 0 1 0 1. Okay, depends, sometimes the time duration is also there, time duration. Okay, for the how much time it is on, how much time it is off. Sometimes 0 is also called known as you can say off, here on, again off, here again on, off. Okay, on. So most of the time we have to run the systems using the digital signals. Okay, next term is what? Nibble. Okay, a nibble contains or you can say combination of 4 bits. Okay, was single bit, it may be a 0 or 1 with about bit, and nibble consists of what? 4 bits. Okay, for example, okay, it may be some 1 0 0, sorry 0, this is also example. Okay, or 1 1 1 0 1 0 1, or 1 0 1 0, or 1 0 0 1. Okay, or 0 1 1 0, etc. So it comprises only of 4 bit, and you can see each combination, each varieties we are having only 4 bit. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these are the things, okay, about what? Nibbles. So I will request you kindly ignore the background noise. Okay, please. Next one is what? Next one was byte. Let us see byte. What is a byte? Okay, byte. A byte is a combination of what? 8 binary numbers. Okay, short form I am writing as NOS. Okay, so it consists of 8 binary. This 0 and 1 also are binary numbers. Okay, 0 and 1 are the binary numbers. Okay, so now we are saying 8 binary numbers. Now nibble we are having 4 bits. It's having 4 binary bits. Okay, that means what? It consists of 2 nibbles, means 4 plus 4 how much? 8. So 8 binary number. For example, what? For example, we will see it. Let's see, 1 0 1 0. Okay, 4, and 0 1 0 1, another 4. So total how much? Total how much bits we are having? Total 8 numbers, 8 bits are. Okay, and 8 bit means what? 1 byte. Okay, 1 byte. Getting this? Okay, now let us see. So here when we are mentioning the numbers, okay, when we are mentioning numbers, we have to draw such type of graph, like for 8 bit numbers. Okay, so that 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we will cut this one. Okay, so if I write here what? 1 0 1 0 and again 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is how much? This is again 4 bit, and this is again 4 bit. Okay, means this is one nibble plus 1 nibble, means how much? 2 nibbles. Okay, and this left, this is the leftmost part. It is known as what? MSB, and the rightmost known as LSB. MSB stand for what? Most significant bit, and LSB stand for what? Least significant bit. I will write it here, MSB. Okay, most significant bit. Okay, and LSB known as what? Least significant bit. Okay, it is of 8 bits, so it may be, if we are, if of 4 bits, the nibble is of 4 bits. Okay, so if I say 1 0 1 1, okay, so this will become what? MSB, and this will become LSB. Okay, getting this? Okay, so let us see, we will see another in a tabular form. So we will write here as binary numbers of format, binary, okay, number format. Okay, short form we are adding NO. Okay, dot. Okay, now tables we will write here. Okay, name. Okay, then size in terms of what? Bits. Okay, and here what? Examples. Okay, now let us see examples we are taking. First is what? We'll take as a bit. Size how much? It will be only one size, one bit. Okay, it may be 0 or 1. Okay, then nibble. Nibble size what? How much? किती size as a 4 number, 4 bits size as a, आणि किती असणार तो either 0 1 0 1, what it may be change also. Okay, not necessary for this, for the just example we are taking, or we can say 0 0 0 0 or 1 1 1 1. Okay, or you can say 1 0 1 1. Okay, just certain examples. हे फक्त आपल्याकडे एक्झाम्पल्स आहे. बाईट, बाईटची साईज किती असते, किती बीट असतात त्याच्यात? 8 बीट असतात. ठीक आहे, ते 8 बीट म्हणजे किती झालं तर ते काही पण होऊ शकतं म्हणजे. ठीक आहे, 0 फक्त त्याच्यात नंबर फक्त 0 आणि 1, त्याच्याशिवाय कोणताही नंबर नसणार. ठीक आहे, मे 0 0 1 1 हां 1 0 1 0. ठीक आहे, हे 4 नंबर आणि 4 नंबर, टोटल 8 नंबर झाले. ठीक आहे, 8 नंबर झाले आपले. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. दुसरं परत एक्झाम्पल घेऊ, 1 0 0 1. ठीक आहे, 0 0 1 1, हे परत 4 आणि हे परत 4. ठीक आहे, हे झाले आपले बाईट. याच्यापेक्षाही आणखी तुम्हाला सांगतो थोडाफार. वर्ड असतात. ठीक आहे, वर्ड आपण जर बोलतो ना वर्ड, तो असतो 16 बिट्सचा, म्हणजे 2 बाईट्स असतो, 2 बाईट. ओके, आणि 4 निबल, 4 4 16 असतं ना आपल्याला, 4 4 16 म्हणजे 16 निबल, 4 निबल्स असतो तो पर. ठीक आहे, असे 4 आणि 4 16 निबल्स असतात त्याच्यात. तर वर्ड म्हणजे किती झाले? 1 2 3 4. ओके, 4 1 1 1 1, 4 4 + 4 8. ठीक आहे, परत 1 0 1 0 12. ओके, 0 1 0 1. ठीक आहे, 4 4 8 4 12 आणि 4 16. 16 बिट साईज असतो कशाचा? वर्डचा. ठीक आहे, नंतर एक असतं आणखीन एक डबल वर्ड. डबल वर्ड तो असतो किती? 32 बिट्सचा असतो. कधी आपण म्हणतो ना आमचा प्रोसेसर किती 32 बिटचा आहे, 64 बिटचा आहे प्रोसेसर कम्प्युटरचा म्हणतो ना. कधी कोणाचं कम्प्युटर घेतला असेल, लॅपटॉप किंवा घरी कोणा कम्प्युटर असेल, तो म्हणतो की आमच्या एवढं बिट साईज आहे आमच्याकडे. ठीक आहे, असं आपण त्याच्यात म्हणतो. ठीक, तर आपण सध्या आता 16 बिट असतो याच्यात. थोडासा क्लॅरिटीचा प्रॉब्लेम येतोय. एक मिनिट. एक मिनिट सर. ठीक आहे, आता आपण क्लिअर कट येतोय. ठीक आहे, ओके. नाव आता 32 बिट म्हणजे काय झालं? असे 32 नंबर असणार, आयदर किंवा 0 किंवा 1 असणार. ते 4 1111 8 ओके. असे टोटल किती असणार तुमचे 32 बिट असणार आपले. ठीक आहे. तर आता आपण इथेच थांबू. ओके. सो पुढचा आपण पार्ट जे आहे आपला कोणता नंबर सिस्टम. ओके. नंबर सिस्टम डेसिमल बायनरी हेक्साडेसिमल हे सगळं आपण इकडे पाहू. ओके इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके. सो थँक्यू.